Very good morning to all. Once again, today's class we would like to discuss about AVL trees. Why we call this AVL trees means it is named after their inventor Adelson Welsky Landis. The names of A for Adelson, V for Welsky and Landis. That's why we call this as the AVL trees. This was developed by these three persons. That's why we call AVL trees. Why we need to go for AVL trees means to balance the tree. To balance the tree. Balancing means we have seen the trees and the binary trees, right? We may get a trees like this. This is called a skew, left skew, where we will get the height will be more. In a skew trees, the height will be more. What will be the height here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever the height is more means operations will be more in a binary tree. That's why we need to balance this tree. So skew means this is called left skew and this is called right skew. Skew means height will be more. So now I want to balance the tree. How the balanced tree will look means this is the balanced one. 1, 2. If you have this one means we have 1, 2, 3. Here we need to perform 3 operations. Here we will perform only 2 operations. That's why we prefer to go for balanced tree. Balanced tree means the height will be balanced. So how we can balance the height means with the help of the technique called with the help of the AVL trees. AVL tree is also called as balanced tree. See, what we will do means we will take the height of a left and right subtrees and we will do the difference between left subtree and right subtree and we will find the height of the particular node balance factor. What is a balance factor here means the difference between the right subtree and the difference between the left subtree is called a balance factor. What is the output of that one means height of a node. Let me say example. If this is the tree, the height of this node will be 2. The height of this node will be 1. The height of this node will be 0. What the AVL tree will say means balance factor should be 1 or less, not more than 1. If you have more than 1 means we will not use the tree. The tree is called as a not a balanced tree. That's why it's our job to bring the tree. Okay. Now the height of this tree is 2. So this is not the balanced tree. We need to balance this tree because the difference should get 1 or less. But the height is getting 2. That's why what we need to do? We need to balance the tree. How to balance? How to balance? By using AVL tree rotations. By using the AVL rotations, we can able to balance the tree. So what are the AVL rotations? We have the AVL rotations like left rotation, right rotation, left right, and right left rotations. First thing is, in a binary tree, the problem is in a binary tree we will get the skew, that may be a left skew or right skew. So how to solve the skew problem means by balancing factor of AVL tree. Once again repeating, here the problem is binary search tree is not balanced. The problem is skew. Skew may be left skew or right skew. This is called the left skew. This is called the right skew. So if skew is more means height of a tree will be more. So solution is balance the tree. So operations will be reduced. How to balance means by using AVL rotations. What are the rotations means? Left, right, left right, and then right left. So we have seen the solutions on the problem. Now let me draw the problem. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the left skew. A problem. Now what will be a solution for this? When the solution will be perfect? If I make a 3, 4 will be here, and then 2 and 1. Still the height of 3 is 2 here, 0, 1, 2. This is also not a solution. So what will be the problem? If I make 2, if I make 2 means 1, then I go for 3 and 4. Again if the problem is 2 long. So when this tree can be balanced? So with root node 3 is fail, with root node 2 is fail. If we take root node 1 as well, 2, 3, 4, again fail because 0, 1, 2, 3. When this tree can get balance? So we have 4. We should get the height 3. Let me use 2. And we go for 4 and then 3, then 1. Okay, you got right? Let me draw perfectly. Let me take 2 as a root node.
స్క్రీన్ కనిపించలే మాకు
2 as a root node. What about now? Is it visible to you?
ఓకే సార్ ఎస్ సార్
I am finding the still see this is the problem for me because I am having the height like 0, 1, 2, 3. So height should be 1. So I change it to this one. Still here as well we will getting 2. So this is not a solution. I changed the root as 2. This is also not a solution. I change the root as 1. This is also not a solution because I am getting 3. Now I am changing one more solution. I make 2 as a root. 1 will be here. And I am making 4 and then now 2, 3. Height of this node is 0. This node is 1. Only one child is there. Height of this node is 0. Height of this one is 1. Height of this one is 1. Am I right? Because it has only one child. This has one child. So how we will get this operation? 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. So from here to here how we can get means rotations. Based upon the rotations we need to check it out. Here now I will rotate this one to right. I go for the right rotation. What we can do here in right rotation? In right rotation what will happen? 3 will be the root and 4 will be here and then 2 and 1. So height will be what? 0, 1, 2. So it has no tree is balanced. So if you perform still again right rotation, what happens? Again right. Again right means 2 will be the root, 3, 4, 1. Again you have 0, 1, 2. So not a problem. Still if you do right means 1, 2, 4. Not a solution. So right rotation we will want to get a solution because the height will be more. If we do left, four, 3, 2, 1. This is the problem, right? Now let me do left rotation. As is the Q left, already it is in the left side. So we can't do it out. Now what I will do is I will change this one to right, 2 right, two to 3 right, and this will be like left like this, and this will change to left. And then what happens like this? Is it possible? First I have done right, 2 and 3. So what will get the tree? 4. Now what I am doing? I am rotating 4. this one like this left. So 1 2 4 3. So I can perform right left rotation. At that time the tree can be balanced, I hope so. Like this we need to use the rotations. You may feel some difficulties here. What rotation you may confuse. For now I will just say 2 rotations. Once again today I will cover right and left. Tomorrow we will see right left and left right. Okay, once again I am repeating the right rotation of AVL tree. Okay, for example, this is a problem I have here. What I am having 0 1 2 problem. What may be the solution? If I do only one right, at that time what happen? 4 will be a root, 3 will be here, 5 will be here. So height will be 0 1 0 1. So this is right. So balanced. What is the balance factor here? Balance factor, height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. 0 minus 0 what? This is the left subtree, this is the right subtree. So what is the height here? 0 and 0. 0 minus 0 0. So it is a balanced. True. One more right. 6 7 8 9. So I will perform one right rotation. One right. What happened then? 8 9 7 6. This is left. This is the right and left. What is the difference here? What is the height of the left subtree? 1. What is the here? 0. Minus 0 1. So once again I am repeating here. See, AVL tree checks the height of a left and the right subtrees and assures that the difference is not more than 1. The difference is called a balance factor. You should remember this one. Everybody should remember this point. We need to calculate the height of the left subtree, height of the right subtree, and we need to do the difference. Once we do the difference, we will get the balance factor. So if you get the balance factor 1 means, then the tree is balanced. If you want the balance factor 1 means, the tree is not balanced. So by finding the height of the left and the right, we can able to solve it out. So right rotation, we are in the right rotation means moving one node to the right. If you still perform this tree to the right rotation means what will be the thing? Now 7 will be the node, 8 9 6. Height will be what? 0 1. 1 minus 0 0. So it is a balanced. True. This is the right rotation. We go for the left rotation. Left rotation. When we go left rotation, if you have right skew, we can rotate left. For example, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you perform one right rotation, one left rotation, what will be the answer? 5 will be the root and 4 will be the child. 7, 8, 9. So what is height here? 0, 1, 2. 0. 0 minus 2. Not a tree. Not a balanced tree. So still you perform again left. Then what happened? 7, 5, 4, 8, 9. What is the height of this one? 1. This one? 1. 0, 1. 0, 1. 1 minus 1? 0. 0. So it says that it is a balanced tree because the balancing factor is 1. This is the left and right subtree. Now I want you to say it out. I am drawing one skew. This is a solution. Can anybody say which rotation we need to perform? Which rotation we need to perform for this one?
Right rotation.
Yes, answer is right rotation because it is a left skew. Left skew means left side the tree is very more height. So if you try to do right rotation means the solution will be same. So we will perform what will be the solution for this? Which is the root here for one right? 4 will be the root.
4.
Yeah.
3 root.
Only one right rotation here, one right. 4 will be the root like this. Now what is the height for this one? 1. This one? 0. 1 minus 0. 1. So it is a balanced tree. Now one more. Is it a balanced tree? Is it a balanced tree? Yes or no?
No, sir. No, sir.
Why no? Why no? Why it is not a balanced tree?
It is more than 1, sir.
What is more than 1? What is more than 1?
Left.
The balance factor is more than 1. What is a balance factor?
Yes, sir.
What is a balance factor? The difference between the height of a left subtree, the difference between the height of a left subtree and the difference between the height of a difference between the height of a left subtree and right subtree is called a balance factor. So when we can say a tree is a balance, if the balance factor is 1, but here the balance factor is how much? It is a 0. Where is it here? 2. 2 minus 0? 2. Am I right? So it is not balanced. So which rotation will perform? To get a balance, can we perform some right rotation? Let us check. We will perform the right rotation. Which one will be the root? We will perform right. If right rotation means, what is the root here? We are changing the tree to the right. Which is the root? 12 will be the root. Is it true? Can we perform right rotation? Yes. But we need to perform right rotation here. First we need to perform right rotation at left subtree, bottom. Then what will be here? Actually here some duplicates is there. See, actually in the tree 11, this is wrong, right? Here should be less than root, greater than root. So 11 less than, it is a 12. We will write as, it's wrong. So we need to change here 12. It will be 11. It will be 10, 11. It's okay? Nine, 8. Now it is a binary search tree, right?
Sir.
12 is a root, less than 12, 10. 10 is correct. As 11 is more than 10, it will be right side, 9, 9. As right side, 14. Yeah, this is a right rotation. So if we perform right rotation here, we will perform right rotation. Where we can perform right rotation here? At left side. Then what happens? 9 will be the root. 10 we go here. 11, 9 will be 8, and we have 12 and 14, right? (12, 14) left. Actually, for this problem, we need to perform two things: right left rotation. With just right rotation, we can't get the solution. We need to go for right and left rotation. See here, right rotation, if you perform right rotation here means 9 will be the root, whereas 11 will be at the right side, but we need to perform the left rotation again. So this is called the right left rotation. Okay, let me say one more other example. 11, 10, 9. Which rotation we need to perform? Right rotation. So 10, 11, 9. Done. If this is the case, 12, 13, 14. Which rotation? Which one you need to perform here? Left rotation. The time 13, 12, 14. So for today, I request you all to be clear with the right and the left. If you clear with the right and the left, tomorrow we will you practice once in your home about right and left rotation. Tomorrow we will discuss about right left and left right. two operations. Whereas the tree which I discussed here, it's require both the things. So we require the right and left. So we will discuss tomorrow. If you have any doubt regarding what is AVL tree and the right rotation and left rotation, you can ask me now. Any questions from your side?